Why is self-sovereign identity crucial? 4 digital identity laws. Imagine a world where you control your digital identity completely, deciding what information to share and when. This is the promise of self-sovereign identity. It's a system that puts individuals in charge of their personal data instead of big companies or governments. As digital interactions grow, laws around digital identity are evolving to protect privacy and security. But traditional systems often relying on centralized databases that are tempting targets for hackers. That's where self-sovereign identity comes in. It uses technology like blockchain to create a decentralized network, meaning no single entity controls your data. This setup makes it harder for hackers to access all your information at once and reduces the chances of mass data breaches. Legally, self-sovereign identity supports key principles like user autonomy and consent. You decide what details to share and with whom, which aligns with privacy laws that requiring clear permission. It also minimizes data sharing by only revealing what's necessary for a specific purpose. This helps meet data protection regulations that emphasize privacy and data minimization. The cryptographic methods used in self-sovereign identity make data tamper-proof and verifiable, satisfying legal standards for data accuracy and integrity. Plus, it allows your digital identity to work across different platforms and countries, making it easier to travel or do business internationally. Transparency is another benefit. You can see how your data is used and keep track of its flow, fulfilling legal requirements for accountability. In the realm of artificial intelligence and technology law, self-sovereign identity is especially important. AI systems need trustworthy identity data for authentication and personalization. When individuals control their data, it reduces risks like identity theft, bias, or unauthorized profiling. It also supports emerging ethical standards by empowering users and reducing reliance on centralized platforms that might misuse personal data. Practical uses include secure digital credentials for government services, healthcare, or banking without exposing unnecessary personal details. It helps companies comply with laws like the General Data Protection Regulation by embedding consent and data minimization into digital identity systems. Cross-border recognition becomes easier, supporting travel, employment, and commerce. Overall, self-sovereign identity is vital for future digital identity laws because it gives people control, boosts privacy and security, and creates a flexible, interoperable framework. This approach is essential for building legal systems that protect individual rights as technology and artificial intelligence continue to advance.